Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert your normal video to 4K Ultra HD in CapCut. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open the CapCut application with your video and then swipe right from the bottom and tap on this adjust. Now tap on this sharpen here and make it 200 like this. Then tap on this check icon and now tap on this effects, tap on this video effects, scroll to the right, tap on this lens option, scroll down and you will find this, and then just simply tap on this software, tap on it again to adjust, and you can adjust it according to your video. Tap on this check icon, scroll it to the whole video and again tap on this video effect, and this time you have to tap on this smart sharp and you have to adjust it according to your video once again like this. Tap on this check icon and you can stretch it again according to your video like this, and your video will look like this. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to convert your normal video to 4K Ultra HD in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.